We are going to the moon to make monograin layer photovoltaics for solar power satellites from Lunar Regolith. Prefabricated, modular monograin layer photovoltaic factories will be delivered to the assembly hub at the Earth-Moon Lagrange Point 1. From there, the factory modules will be gently delivered to the surface of the moon with a lunar lander gantry. After they have arrived, each module will be transported and added to the factory complex. Lunar Regolith will be mined with razor mining robots. The regolith material will be delivered to the beneficiation and processing facility to extract iron sulfide and sulfur. Proper fraction of the precursors will be sieved out for further electrostatic separation. These materials will be synthesized into pyrite and further processed to produce monograin crystals. After the beneficiation process, the material will be delivered to the photovoltaic production facilities. Separated iron sulfide and sulfur, mixed with flux, will be added to the reactor chamber to grow pyrite microcrystals for the monograin layer solar cells. These will stay in the furnace for 7 days. Water will be added to wash out the pyrite microcrystals from the flux. Then the water will be recycled, and a proper fraction of the microcrystals will be sieved out. Pyrite monograin crystals will be transferred to the roll-to-roll production line to form the monograin layer solar cells. This material will be used to fabricate state-of-the-art, lightweight, and flexible photovoltaic modules. The monograin layer photovoltaic modules will be transported with a lunar space elevator from the Moon to the assembly location at the Earth-Moon Lagrange Point 1. Here they will be robotically installed on the lunar solar power station. Once finished, this station will provide power for lunar operations to manufacture additional solar power satellite components for the Earth. Can you think of a better reason to go to the Moon?